What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with the App Lifestyle, the place where the world is literally in the palm of your hands. And in this video, I'm actually going to be addressing a question in video format. So I got a good question asking exactly how do you change your navigation inside the Uber app? Now, y'all seen me say in numerous videos I never recommend using the Uber navigation. You know, that stuff will probably have you parked up a tree. But aside from that, my favorite one to use is Waze because it has certain advantages. Well, with that being said, you need to know exactly how to change it because your default setting is going to be the Uber navigation. So we're going to go through the steps in app on how to change that. So stay tuned. So the first thing that you want to do is open your Uber driver app. Then we are going to click on the bars in the top left hand corner. Click on account. Then we're going to scroll to the bottom, click on app settings, click on navigation, and then boom. As long as you have Waze or whatever app you want to use installed, you can switch your navigation so that it'll go to the Waze or Google Maps or whatever app you want to use. I always recommend Waze, but it's up to you. But whatever you do, I highly recommend against using the Uber navigation. But this is how you can change the navigation inside the Uber app so y'all can have a visual demonstration of this. So you now know how to change the navigation inside your Uber app so you can change it to Waze or Google Maps or whatever navigation provider that you want. Those are the biggest two, but there are other ones out there. But you now know how to change it. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments or other tutorials you want to see, be sure to leave them in the comment section. Like the video if you found value in it. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I drop another video. I will catch you later. Be safe and profitable, everyone.